dramatic, and it is pushing that Lotus up the hill very quickly.
That Lotus Elise of Jean-Hubert has clocked 41.365. Pieter Zeelie on the way.
The red MR2 3.5 litre Toyota engine, actually in there, highly modified though. And one of the best sounding cars on the grid, that's for sure.
No doubt about it whatsoever, and lovely looking as well on top of it all, in fire engine red.
He's pushing in class B4. He's got it all to play for now. Flying up the second straight. That is quick. I think this is the quickest I've seen him all day.
He's got the MR2 on a string at the moment. Look at that. Thrown it into the right and the left. And here he is, the last right-hander, past the transponder as he goes. And Zeelie